Good day, everyone. I'm Gabriela from Europe, living in Macedonia. I'm trading OneUp for over 4 years. I would like to present you my typical trading day routine and what strategy I use to pass the evaluation. First, I'm checking news and economic calendar to see if there are any major events that could impact the markets. Here, 23rd of February, we have GDP and jobless claims. Today, um, next, I would like to present you my strategy. I'm using momentum strategy. Uh, that simply means strong move breaking and support or resistance area. If you can see, we have support and we have resistance here. Um, I'm usually trading 5 minutes time frame. Uh, Here we have strong move downtrend, and I have my entry was around here, uh, and um, and the exit was here. So i- this is a very simple strategy, and it's all about waiting and repeating the process. Overall, my routine is help me to stay organized, focused, and disciplined, which is essential to achieving success in the market. Um, I have few message for the traders who are doing evaluation. Follow your evaluation rules, maintain constant profitability, learn from mistakes. Thank you for listening, and I hope this has provided you with some insights into how traders start their trading day. I wish you all the best in your trading, and thank you, OneUp.